Welcome back to class. I'm so happy to see you. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter R to letter H, and we are also going to associate them with their corresponding objects. Now, I want you to get your writing materials as we sound these letters. Letter R, letter R, letter B, letter B, letter K, letter K, letter D, letter D, letter E, letter E, letter F, letter F, letter G, letter G, letter H, letter H. Now, let's see the following objects we can associate them with. Apple, apple. Now, what is the name of this object? I know you know it. Good. Bus, bus. And this, can you tell me the name? Good. Cake. And this, awesome. Dog. And this, amazing. Egg, egg. Fish, fish. Girl, girl. House. This house is beautiful. I love it. House. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. A as in apple. A as in apple. B as in bus. B as in bus. K as in cake. K as in cake. D as in dog. D as in dog. E as in egg. E as in egg. F as in fish. F as in fish. G as in girl. G as in girl. H as in house. H as in house. All right. I hope you have learned a lot today. Good. Don't forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. See you in our next class. Goodbye, love.